Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is my first day for doing a cleaning video. I've never done anything like this before. I've always been the type that stayed away from these types of videos. I love watching them, but I never really thought it was a good fit for me. So today, let's go ahead and get started and clean this little hot mess. And look at that little hot mess on the bed.
No, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
this is going to be kind of random. The way I edited the video, it's kind of out of order, and not a lot of it makes sense because I'm jumping around so much. But I just wanted to get this video up and just kind of use as an experiment to see if people like this kind of stuff. But like I said, I love these kind of videos, and I'd like this to work out for my channel as well. But yeah, let's just kind of go with it, and next time I'll try to do a better job of like keeping things in sequence.
on we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies.
What you're seeing as far as me always holding the cat and hugging this cat, this is real life. I really do this, and this is why nothing ever gets done. So blame the cat, but he is a cute little prop.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I just want to give a quick shout out to Lindsay. She got me this really nice Dyson vacuum cleaner. I think it was for Christmas a couple years back. I absolutely love it, and I was skeptical at first, being I wasn't sure if Dyson was as good as what people were saying, but after using it for a while, it's pretty darn good.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So as you can tell, I have like this refrigerator. It's just a little mini fridge. I'm not sure what it was originally intended for, maybe wine or something like that. We don't drink, so we don't use it for that. The only way we would actually use this refrigerator is just by putting some water in it, and that's about it. But right now I don't have any, and it's not that bad. would definitely say the one thing that I'm not that good at as far as keeping up is I don't normally dust that often. Normally I'll make a room look somewhat decent as far as the way it's presented, but as far as dusting, I hate doing that. But it's a good time to go ahead and start that and get back into the habit of doing that. If some of you guys are wondering, this actual like dresser right here, we picked this up from a thrift store, and it was like a dark brown color. It wasn't really the prettiest, but yeah, we went ahead and, well, I actually painted it white. And to add a little bit more character to it, I did add a marble type of, like a stick-on paper or laminate paper or whatever. It was really inexpensive. Happy I did it because it just looks so much better and it's more interesting to look at.
So, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow, mysterious. That's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up. Like I said, this is my first cleaning video I've ever done, and I'm really liking it. I'm liking the way it's a little bit easier to edit versus some other videos I've done in the past. If this is something that's up your alley or something you enjoy watching, let me know down below, and hopefully I'll do another one soon. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
We're making this to